Alexis is a tennis instructor. She charges $40 for each lesson she teaches. She made $2,800 last week. How many lessons did she teach? All right, so if we're going to have 2,800 and we're going to figure out how many lessons she taught if she charged $40 each, we are going to divide in order to find out how many lessons. So this is $2,800 divided by 40. Now we are dividing a multiple of 10 divided by another multiple of 10. When you do that, count how many zeros are at the end of each and knock off that many. So I can knock off 1 0 for each. So now this becomes the same as 280 divided by 4. Now, if we multiply a single digit from a multiple of 10, what we're going to do is we're going to divide the numbers that we can do. So we're going to divide 28 and 4 to give us 7. Now we have a 0 here left over. 1 0 left over. So we are going to attach that 0 to here. So 2,800 divided by 40 is 70. Now this is a word problem, and the question is, how many lessons did she teach? Well, Alexis taught 70 lessons. And that's our answer.